job.
Very good, Eli. Good job.
Count
Good
only.
job. 1,
Wow,
2,
good
3. Good job, Eli. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sabi mo kay Roger, tubig ang ano talaga. Kaso naman, hindi sinusunod niya. Juice talaga eh. Put water doon sa lagayan niya ng juice.
There. You try how to do it 21 days, ma'am. Sanayin mo lang. Very good naman, my
Kasi
baby.
kung hindi mo ipipilit, ayaw niya
Yes,
talaga.
correct. That's right, ma'am. Yay, Eli. So cute. See, mom, here on the cabinet. We'll put him on fluoride therapy first, and then hopefully, when he's a bit bigger, we can just dive in the liquid and cover it. Okay, Eli, let's go. Let's brush. Do you know McQueen? This is McQueen's helper.
I have McQueen here.
Wow. It goes vroom,
Ay,
vroom.
wala
Look
pala
at-
sa
look at-
akin.
Look at the minions. Look, oh. It goes vroom, 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 vroom. I'm gonna give you a McQueen car. You like any McQueen car? Yes. Will you help me brush your teeth?
Good boy.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Wow.
Yay. And
Like
this
McQueen.
Very good.
That's so fast.
Wow, galing ni Eli, oh. Look at you, Eli. But,
Open. Let McQueen enter.
Mommy, this one. It's just for desensitizing him, getting him used to the sensation. So eventually you can drill. But it's really the toothbrush that cleans the best.
Good job.
Yeah, there's the minions. Okay, we're gonna use a straw. Okay, Eli? Look at the straw.
Hey,
It's like the minions. Yeah, there.
Oh,
See?
good job. Open.
Yeah.
Oh.
Open, Eli. Open it. Open it.
Open. Wow.
Funny, no? Again. Good
Oh,
job,
there,
Eli.
Did you see?
I'm gonna give a little guy a McQueen card. He's gonna help me brush teeth.
Oh,
Let's go brush teeth at the back. Yummy, no? Taste like candy. Okay. Oh, see, the minions are shaking his hand. Bigga. Bigga.
Good job.
Good job,
Yay.
Eli. I'm gonna get a nice prize open big so you can get a McQueen toy. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. Okay,
Oh, you
Eli,
want your
almost
straw?
done. Oh, there's a straw. There's a straw. Okay, use the straw.
Cookies.
Yay.
Yun.
Let's wipe you. Okay, one more time. Water.
Wow.
Good job, Eli. Okay, one last brushing on top, then you can go home. Okay, bigger.
Open big again.
Bigger. 1, 2.
Galing.
Good job. Okay, almost done. Wait, there's a
Other side.
There's a bug there. I have to pick up the bug. Okay, Eli, good job, baby boy. Okay, one last.
Yay.
Okay, that's it. You did great. One last here. Thanks, Eli. One last here. Yun naman.
Good job.
Again, that area is bleeding.
Oh, let mommy see it.
Hindi yung dirt, oh.
Oh, show
Very
mommy.
good. One last, Eli. Okay,
use your straw.
finish. Use your straw. Use your
Don't
straw.
like
No,
your
we're
straw?
done. Oh, you rinse, Eli. We're done. Okay. Oh, you go get you stick here, huh?
How to
You know how to
Water.
rinse? You know, you go like that. You stick. Oh, that's
I don't
okay.
drink.
No, ano namin ang straw. One more time.
Okay.
Yay. One more time. One more time.
You swallow
Minion
your...
said to drink water.
Minion said,
Minion
Eli,
said,
good.
Drink
Yeah.
water. You have to
They're
drink
watching
water.
you.
Oh,
See?
Mommy, every night before Eli goes to bed, goes to fluoride up. But what we're gonna put now is the white one. We're gonna put a thicker fluoride on him para kung mas tumigas ka agad. Okay? Pero every night, the one we'll give you is a milder form.
Baba mo, Meg.
Kahit ho pagtulog na siya, i-dip nyo lang hong ganito. Eli, can I see? Let's see. Tingnan lang ho. From there to there. Hindi, yung apat lang ho. Ear, yung sa pangil to pangil. Tuwing gabi ho. So, ganyan nyo lang. Tapos, it's okay, Eli. Candy. Can say candy. Okay? Like that lang. Eli, I'm gonna paint your teeth, okay?
Wow.
To take out the bugs. And then you can go to a price like the queen car. Okay.
Every night.
Every night.
Is lang kahit pagtulog na siya.
Kahit pagtulog na siya. Let's paint na para mag-get McQueen already. Oh, you look there. Look at the minions. Big
Good job! Wow, very
This one's like
good.
biga.
You're doing good.
Biga.
Oh,
We're almost
Minions
finished.
are watching.
Come on.
One more time.
One last. One last.
Oh, okay. Good job. Yay. One more.
One last.
One last.
Yay. Okay, we're done.
Doing good, love.
We're finished. Let's wipe that thing in your
Oh,
tongue.
put
Take out your tongue.
Yan, good job.
Look, mommy, this tongue. I need to clean that. Why? It's so, it's full of milk residue. Oh, again, the tongue. Where's the tongue?
Put your tongue out.
Thank you, sir. There. You want me to clean it? Oh, stick out your tongue again.
Brush your tongue.
Let's brush it close and then
Take out your tongue.
Take out your tongue.
Take out your tongue. Where's your
Here's the tongue.
tongue?
Where's the tongue?
Show
Out,
us
out.
your tongue.
Where's Eli's tongue?
Kapal ng ano niya sa gatas niya.
Tiko.
Pwede kaya yun.
Di ba nilalagyan mo?
Yeah, but he won't, first visit.
Hmm?
Tired.
Tiko. Itikos.
Okay, again.
Again. Open.
One last.
Yay.
Hey, it's cold. See your tongue?
Show us your tongue. Everybody showing their tongue.
Oh, mommy. Makapal-kapal yun.
Oo.
You have to take it out. And
Let's
can you,
not-
even with washcloth, kung kaya mo, dip it in cold water, then do it to him all the time. He's gonna be crying at the start, pero yun na nga, we have to clean that out. Oh. Good job! Every time he comes, I'll do that for him again. Let's try one last.
Right.
One last!
Better. Huh?
Can I see?
Again.
Where's the tongue?
Put out your tongue.
Minion said, put
Eh.
out your tongue.
Ang kapal
Oh,
ng.
they're hiding.
The bugs, oh.
Ang kapal eh.
Can you take out the
Good
bugs?
job.
Yan.
Kapal, oh. Siya rin siguro na,
Itchy.
can you see?
Again.
Yay, there the bugs. It's
Wow.
coming out. Yay, McQueen car, oh.
McQueen is inside.
Let's
Let's
take
take
out.
out.
We
Very
can't have
good.
anything for at least 30 minutes, Not even water, Kasi when he brushes teeth later, he's going to wash it. He's gonna have like blue stuff coming out. Yun yung fluoride na nilagay namin. Pero yung bibigay namin sa inyo, yung milder form. Okay? One more.
So, nung try po milk better than
Yeah. Biga. One last.
Out. Tongue out. Like this. Tongue out.
Where's the tongue? Biga.
galing.
Very good.
Good job. Oh, one more.
Good job.
Smiley ka, tita.
Okay. Kaya mo pa? If you can't, it's okay.
You're okay na.
There.
You wanna start it, guys? Okay. At least natanggal na ho ng konti.
Siguro naginawahan din siya.
Very good. Yeah. Finish. Oh, yeah. You're done. Unwipe you lang. Bye. Okay.
Kapal ng ano sa dat.
Super kapal.
Oo.
That can also cause him to have cavities.
Hindi natin napapansin din yun.
Very good, Ila.